Hi, Pat here. I have a Pioneer stereo amplifier, model SA-5500 Mark II, I guess. I haven't turned this thing on yet, but the front cover does look good. Somebody did engrave something in their speaker department, so I have no idea what this thing was used for. The top ain't in too bad condition. Take a look at the back here. It's got a 3-prong plug somebody put on there. And it really ain't got no garment in there. This thing is just kind of loose. Looks like they tried to hot glue it in there. But before I turn it on, I'm going to take the cover off, take a look at the inside. Here's the inside of this thing. It is very dusty, very dirty. And this here is the ground wire for the power cord somebody put on. It wasn't even hooked up or anything, it was just hanging in there. And down here they got a 10 ohm resistor here, and it's hooked up to the positive of the right speaker. No idea, I don't think that was original. And down here, besides the selector board, I believe the phono amp is on there. And most of the pods will be easy to clean. I don't know, I get in there, I don't know about the front ones on these. Switches shouldn't be bad. I'm going to blow the dust out. Maybe put some headphones in and see what happens when I turn it on. I blew the dust out to give it a better look. And down here, the amp board, there ain't a single transistor on this board. There's a transistor up here, it's for the power supply. But I'm surprised to find an IC output in these, being just 15 watts per channel. That's a 10-pin IC. I'm sure everything gets done in there. The tone board here. There's just 2 transistors in those. And I did shoot a little cleaner in these pods just to clean them up. But I made my voltage checks. Everything checked out alright. All the fuses here were good. So I'm going to hook up some speakers, see if it plays. I took this resistor out and soldered that wire back up to the terminal it needs to be. So now I could try playing through that set of speakers. I took the front panel here off to clean it, and Windex and soap and water really didn't do it. Ended up using a little bit of this, being careful not to take the lettering off. I did this half. I haven't done this half yet, and you can still see the tarnish on there. That just wouldn't come off. That was with hot water and Dawn and Windex and everything else. Well, this side came out nice. I got the face back on and the knobs. And I just took my label maker and I just put my name across where that somebody engraved something in there, just to cover it up. But it's looking nice. I got my test equipment hooked up on it here. My dummy loads there. A couple AC voltmeters. I got my function generator. I'm putting 150 millivolts into the auxiliary. And let me turn the volume up all the way. That's volume up all the way. Nice clean sine wave. And I'm getting 11.5 volts across my dummy loads. That'll put about 16.5 watts per channel. I got a square wave going through it, and it looks nice and clean. Let me turn the bass down, and the bass all the way up. Turn the treble down, and the treble all the way up. And the loudness on, loudness off. So it's doing everything it should. I'm running a sweep right now from 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz, and it's looking clean all the way through. Yeah, let's try putting a little music to this thing. I got a record playing. And it's playing good. I got tape going too. This low stereo cleaned up real nice. Thanks for watching the video.